Hello everyone, welcome back to Stack Over Chai. Today is day 11 of our 100 days interview question challenge. Let's go. Today's question is, why is string immutable in Java? In Java, the string class is immutable, meaning once a string object is created, it cannot be changed. If you try to modify it, Java actually creates a new string object, instead of updating the existing one. Let's break it down. Why is string immutable in Java? 1. Security strings are often used to store important information, like file paths, usernames, and database URLs. Making them immutable ensures that once they are created, no one can change their value, not even by accident or through malicious code. 2. String pooling. Java uses a string constant pool to save memory. When strings are immutable, multiple variables can safely point to the same object in the pool. This avoids creating duplicate strings and makes memory usage much more efficient. 3. Thread safety. Since strings can't be modified once created, they are automatically thread safe. Multiple threads can access the same string without worrying about unexpected changes. 4. Performance. Because strings never change, Java can cache their hash code after the first calculation. This makes string comparisons and lookups in collections like hashmap or hashset much faster. So, in short, string immutability improves security, memory efficiency, thread safety, and performance. That's why Java made the string class immutable by design. Let's look at a simple example to understand string immutability. Here, we first create a string s1 with the value hello. Then we assign s2 equals s1, so both variables point to the same string object in memory. Next, when we write s1 equals s1 jod world, Java doesn't modify the original string. Instead, it creates a brand new string object with the value hello world. That's why, when we print both, s1 prints hello world and s2 still prints hello. This clearly shows that strings in Java are immutable. Once created, they can't be changed. That's it for day 11. Follow me for day 12, where we'll cover another important interview question. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.